Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can hide an app from the search bar. Say for example, if I want to hide Chrome actually, see there is no Chrome appearing even though if I search on the search bar in the app drawer. So you can do this with the hide app option. So I have taken two mobiles. One is Nothing 4A mobile and this is on the Realme mobile. So different OSs will have different options, right? First of all, I'll tell you Nothing, how you can hide a particular app from the search bar. Open app drawer means just swipe up and now swipe to your right, from your left to your right, and here just give your fingerprint or your phone lock password and see here private apps option is there, right? Click on edit here. Say for example, now I'll be hiding YouTube. I'll be clicking on this plus symbol. Now let us just come to your home screen and here search for the YouTube actually. See, there is no YouTube, it has been hidden. How I can access this again? You can open the app drawer and again give your fingerprint and here is how you can access. Okay, keep it aside. Now we'll check for this Realme. For Realme the options are slightly different. Click on your Android phone settings, then click on privacy and security here, security and privacy, and from here scroll down until you find this option hide apps. So we are just hiding the app here. You can enter the password, sorry. Okay, see these are the already hidden apps, so even if I search for these apps in the app search you won't be able to find. For now we'll add one more. Maybe I'll be adding Google Chrome and one more YouTube also I'll hide. Okay, now I'll be searching YouTube here. See, there is no YouTube. How you can actually access them back? For this, for hide apps, you need to set a pattern actually. Here you need to set a pattern actually. Yeah, under this settings, under access methods, you can click on access via dial pad. So the default is hash 0000 hash, or you can even change it. Say for example 1234, right? Hash. Done. Click on this done. Done. And now if I want to access, this is secret code. Okay, I need to just open the keypad, hash 1234 hash. These are the hidden apps. So in this way you can hide the app from the search bar. So I have shown you two different, Nothing and Realme. On Moto you need to use a secure folder. Okay,